Easy Red, family owned, offering innovative products since 1966. The Easy Edge Swivel Socket 12-piece metric wrench set puts recessed and hard-to-reach fasteners in your grip with its metric 75-degree offset. The 12-piece set features sizes ranging from 8mm to 19mm. The fixed box wrench on one end and the 90-degree swivel socket on the opposite end allows accessibility in almost any situation. Our Easy Edge technology provides a highly increased surface area for a stronger, more comfortable grip. And the vertical wrench body provides extra leverage, giving you the torque you need to get the job done without wearing out your hands. We also offer an 8-piece SAE set in sizes ranging from 5/16 to 3/4 inch. And both sets come with an EVA foam tray. Easy Edge Swivel Socket Wrench Sets from Easy Red. Innovative products since 1966. Look for Easy Red products wherever quality tools are sold. Call or click today.